Hi, welcome to the channel. Here we have an Audi A5 Quattro. It's a 3 litre diesel, 240 brake, and we've driven up and down the street and it goes like a rocket. It's a very, very fast car. Pretty cool looking car as well. Tinted windows, black, nice wheels. Yeah, not a bad car. But we've had the engine running. We've just taken the water cap off. And we've noticed some bubbles coming out, so we think the head gasket's most probably gone. I'll just show you this in a moment, the water where it's bubbling. You can see little air bubbles coming up here. So we're just going to do a sniff test in a minute, just to confirm, which we're pretty sure it is. There's a little air bubbles. It's not a good sign. So here's the sniff test stuff. You get this special fluid. Screw it to the top of the water bottle where the air comes out from the engine. If it turns yellow, like this one, you pour the fluid in there and you pump the little black pump and it sucks it up into this little chamber. And as you can see, it's turned yellow, which means the head gasket has gone. Right, so we're going to buy some steel seal that you pour in with the water, and it's meant to cure your problems. That's to give you your money back. I've used it before, it's never worked, but I thought I'd do a video and see if it works this time and let you know how it goes. Well, here it is, steel seal. Simply pour to fix the blown head gaskets. Don't know if it's going to work. It never has before. As you can see, there's fixed or refund. Permanent repair in minutes. We shall see. Right, I need 2 bottles of this. As you can see there, don't know if the camera can zoom in. It says up to 4 litre. You need 2 bottles, so I've got to get 2 of these. They're £35 each plus the VAT. So it's going to be over 80 quid. So if it doesn't solve my problem, I will be contacting them, and hopefully, well, they should give the money back. That's why I'm doing this video, because it's never worked before, and we shall see. So in a minute we're going to get the car in, drain all the fluid out, all the water out, flush it, flush the whole system out so there's nothing in there, and do what it says, what we've got to do. Right, we put this stuff in there yesterday, after putting fresh water through it twice. We put it in there, we had it running for about 40 minutes, ticking over, and today is the next day, where it's been cooled overnight, and I'm just going to start it up to see if we've got any bubbles coming up. And I'm going to do another sniff test just to see. Right, with the engine's running, just going to look down there. Don't know if the camera can pick anything up. There's a couple of little bubbles, not as many as there was last time. It's just a bit of trapped air coming out. So I'm just going to put the sniff test on. Right, I've put the fluid in number 2. So number 1's going to fill up with the air from the water. So the head gasket's gone, the air's going to come into here, and it's going to mix with the purple fluid. I'm just going to give it a little squirt in a minute. You can put the bit of fluid in number 1 as well, but I'll let it fill up with the fluid first. As you can see, it goes in like that. Last time it turned yellow pretty much within seconds, and it doesn't seem to be doing that right now, which is a good sign, but we need to see some air bubbles actually come up from the tank, and you'll see them come up into number 1. So we'll just wait a while and see what happens. Right, I've just put another load of fluid in there just to top it up and redo it, and as you can see, there's air bubbles actually coming in now, and the fluid's still pink, which is good. You know what, I think this stuff might have actually worked. I'm shocked, because it's never worked for me before. Okay, well, I'll drive the car around a while and I'll get back to you and see see what happens in a few months or something. Okay, well, thanks for watching.